Well, it wasn't up until in July that I started harvesting strawberries. My first harvest was on July the 11th, and I have just under a kilogram of strawberries harvested so far. It's in the afternoon now, it's hot. I'll harvest these ripe ones tomorrow morning, and then I'll have over a kilogram. Welcome back to Ecocentric, and in this video I just got a few clips of some stuff I've harvested. I did harvest some rhubarb, a couple of kilograms I believe it was, but then the weather has been so hot that I said no, I'm not even going to bother to try. And as you can see, they're quite limp because of the hot day after day hot weather. Garlic scape harvesting time. I wonder if they'll all fit in the normal harvesting pail that I use. I use my hand pruners. Cut them down just above the leaf there, like so. This is my first time having to cut back the St. John's wort bush itself, if I remember correctly. Right now this one is overgrowing the echinacea here, so cut it back I shall. My understanding is that you can make tea with the leaves for the same medicinal properties as the flowers. Now you can see that echinacea, he's stunted because of the St. John's wort. think I'll leave it like that for now. Separate the two. See, now these Echinacea I assume will fill out more and fill in that little bit of space there. And cut the sage back to the bed. Some nice beautiful flowers and leaves. I can't sit on my seat here because I got a pile of rocks here. Now I'm still learning about sage as well, so take note. You see on the bottom part of this, that's what was there last winter, and it grew right from the top. So you can let your sage plant grow bigger and bigger, and if you're in cold enough climate, then you come spring and the plant looks like it's dead, but just leave it there, and over time, once the growing season gets going, it'll leave out and be looking good. Of course, you can pull off all the dead leaves come spring. I don't know if I should have them intermingled like that or no. Tarragon on the left and sage on the right there. I am going to just cut a dividing line right up through. And cut it back halfway in the bed. This lovage got a spider web there. Beautiful plant, and it puts some real nice flowers on the top for pollinators. And if you're only one person, just look at this down the bottom here. Leaves get shaded out by the overtopping vegetation, and so they're weakened, and now they're starting to fade. Hopefully that comes out on the camera. You see those really damaged ones, and there's some right down there that's just going all together. For a plant that's going to grow this size, keeping those that are starting to fade, clip them off as you see them starting to fade down below, will be enough for 1 or 2 people. Now I haven't quite figured this out yet. No, I'm going to have to cut it. Sometimes it seems you can pull them like you would rhubarb. See how the stem go entirely. That's my collection of branches that still has good on them, and there's a few that are completely gone. Now I got it so that there's none laying down on the ground either. The other harvesting, I think, will be to pull up some of this catnip that's growing right out among the lavender. Cut off the root and throw the plant in my harvesting pail. Okay. I had to do some trimming of the lavender, but I really don't want to do that until it's done flowering. I think I'll finish with that now. Here's the catnip. Thought I had a straight hand fork, but I can't lay eyes on it right now. I have this pail here with water in it, and I want to get up all these tree seedlings. See, well, that's pretty good. Just take them like that and put them down in the water. I don't want to damage the roots very much, but if I pull them up really gently, maybe. There's so many, I might as well wait until I get them all up to count them. I'll tell you what, I'm just going to take them all up and I'll show you what I got once I'm done. Okay, I'll sit here in the shade now and count these out. Oh! That ain't going to do me very well now, is it? I'll put them together in bundles of 10 like that. I have 11 piles of 10 there, and this one has 7. So there's 117 apple tree seedlings. And this will be my next harvest. The red currant, my favorite currant. Coming right fast and furious now. Getting close to the end of July, so this is what I've harvested in July. Thank you for watching, and come back for the next one. I'll see you in the next video.